Hey guys, so Shaq is turning 23 in about 2 weeks, and yesterday I went on a secret mission to get her a gift. It's so hard shopping for her because she's so picky with what she likes, so I had trouble. So I took my best friend and we went to Yorkdale. I should have filmed while I was at the mall, but I was so stressed. I suck at jewelry shopping or just shopping in general, so it was very hard, but I figured out how I'm gonna give the gift to her, so I thought I'd film a quick behind the scenes. And what I actually got her is this rose gold fossils watch because she lost or broke actually her old rose gold watch, and she had that for ages, so I just thought I'd get her a replacement with something a little bit cuter. Hopefully she likes it. I have no idea. I know that she likes rose gold, but I wasn't sure about the style and stuff, so I'm hoping she's happy when she sees it. And now I'm off to school, but I'll be seeing you for secret mission number 2 because I'm going to be giving her a hand-drawn birthday card because...
Tu regardes tout ce que je déteste. Tu les montres, mais tu ne veux pas donner tes fesses. Encore un soir, tu vas ignorer tous ces mecs jusqu'à 5 du mat. Tu vas rentrer seul, c'est cher, ouais, c'est pas l'éclate. Bref, encore un soir où tu te doites. Et tu ne vis que pour les caméras. Les appareils.
I don't know. Oh, hi!
Hello, welcome to the vlog. It's my birthday vlog. Please enjoy.
Ew, shut up!
Et tu ne vis que pour les caméras. Les appareils. Et tu ne vis que pour les miroirs, le regard des autres et le Chanel Coco. Et te faire changer, oui j'essaye. Mais chez toi tout est si fake. Tu ne jures que par les Carrera, les Ferrari jaunes et le champagne à coco. Oh Gisèle, Gisèle, quel misère. Tu ne vis que dans le virtuel. Pour nous tu n'as plus aucun mystère. Les jupes aussi courtes que les nuits de ton père. Et tu regardes tout ce...
The lighting's quite good as well.
Okay,
Hello.
we are making cake for my birthday.
No, we're just gonna drink straight,
Straight
oil.
up oil. Okay. It's gonna be a montage fast stuff.
Okay, can I pour the oil?
Go
Okay,
crazy.
Thank you.
Okay.
You gotta admit, that smells
That's-
beautiful.
I can smell it here. It
Smell
smells
it.
good. Ooh,
That being your
yum.
cake. Did I tell you guys that my cousin is old?
Hey, whoa.
What? I'm telling the truth. I'm kidding.
13 years of life experience.
Yes.
Here is the bacon side.
Okay, I think I did pretty good.
Okay.
I wanna mix.
Sure. Yummy. I feel like we might not need sugar because that chip is pretty sweet.
You know, like the caramel latte at Tim Hortons?
Oh.
It tastes exactly like
This
that.
color is beautiful too.
I'm getting high. I did not think it would be that tasty. I don't know what I was thinking, but I was not expecting. Holy crap.
There you go. All your dry ingredients are now here.
Okay, thank you.
Et tu regardes tout ce que je déteste. Tu les montres, mais tu ne veux pas donner tes fesses. Encore un soir, tu vas ignorer tous ces mecs jusqu'à 5 du mat. Tu vas rentrer seul, c'est cher, ouais, c'est pas l'éclate. Bref, encore un soir où tu te doites. Et tu ne vis que pour les caméras.